Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you guys are new over here, then welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you are struggling in English, don't worry. I'm also struggling in English. We should learn together in English. We should grow together in English. Then our English upgrade from 0 in advanced level. So don't worry. Please watch this video till the end. I will share my experience, my tips, how I am improving in English day to day my life. So don't worry, my journey is your journey, your journey is my journey. This is uh study reading series 3, right? So don't forget. So my journey, your journey is my journey. So let's start. On his deathbed, Aeschylus Huxley reflected on his entire life, learning and then summed it up in 7 simple words. Let us be kindred to one another. Too all often we believe that in order to live a truly fulfilling life, we must achieve some great act to grand feat that will must us on the front covers of magazine and newspapers. Nothing could be further from the trust. A meaningful life is made of a series of daily acts of decency and kindness which ironically add up to something truly great over the course of a lifetime. Everyone who enters your life has a lesson to teach and a story to tell. Every person you pass during the moments that makes of your days represent an opportunity to show a little more of compassion and courtesy. Courtesy that define your humanity. Why not start being more of the persons and truly during your days and doing what you can to enrich the world around you? In my mind, if you make even one person's smile during your day or brighten the moods of even stranger, your day has been a worth while one kindness quite or simply is recent. We must pay for the space we occupy on this planet. Become more creative in this way. Use the compassion to strangers, pay to troll for the persons in the car behind you, offering your seat on the subway to someone in need, and being the first to say hello are great place to start. Recently, I received a letter from a reader of the monk who sells his Ferrari, who lives in Washington State. In it, she wrote, I have a practice of tree, teething, teething, T-E-T-H-I-N-G, teething, to people who have helped me along my spiritual path. Please accept the enclosed check of $100 with my blessing and gratitude. Gratitude. I quickly responded to her generous act by spending one of the audio tab programs in turn, so she received value for the gift who sent me. Her gestures was a great lesson in the importance of giving sincerely around and from the heart. So the pages are stopped. So finished. So we should study a little bit, not hardly. If 2 pages is enough for one day, right? So if you want to a whole day, you can reading. If you want to step by step, you can learn 1 to 2 pages is enough. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. So I am so happy because this is series 3, reading series 3. I am happy in myself. So nobody born perfect. We still work hard. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you soon. See you next video. Lots of love from my side. Lots of love.